If you want to collect unlimited signatures with just one link, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes. Whether you're collecting petitions, signatures for a cause, or gathering support for your business, using one link to collect unlimited signatures is a game changer. Stick around because I'm also going to give you a way to try the software we'll be using for free, exclusively for my viewers, so make sure to watch till the end. First things first, why use just one link? Well, the traditional way of gathering signatures usually involves forms, emails, or even paper, and all of that can get messy. But with one simple link, you can streamline the whole process, track submissions, and gather signatures without the headache. So, let's dive into how you can use this software to collect unlimited signatures. The tool we're going to use is incredibly easy to set up and can handle thousands of signatures seamlessly. What's great about it is that it doesn't require any technical skills, and you can create a customized signature collection page in minutes. Once you sign up for the software, you'll be able to create a dedicated page where people can add their signatures. You just create the page, customize it with your text and any branding or images, and then generate the link. This link can be shared across social media, emails, or even embedded on websites. It's that simple. You don't need to worry about managing submissions manually. The software handles that for you. Now, let me walk you through a quick setup. After logging in, you'll click on Create New Campaign or Start New Signature Drive, depending on what they call it in the software. Here, you'll enter the details of what you're asking for, whether it's supporting a petition, showing interest in a product, or anything else. You can choose whether you want the signatures to be anonymous or require some personal details, like email addresses. Once you're ready, just hit the Generate Link button and voila, you've got your link ready to share. Now here's the fun part. Once you start collecting signatures, the software automatically organizes them. You can track the progress, see who's signed, and even download the results in an easy-to-use format. This means you're never left wondering where your data is or what needs to be done next. Everything's right there. This software is so simple and powerful. It's become my go-to for anything involving mass signatures, and I recommend it to anyone looking to streamline this process. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. I've arranged an exclusive free trial for my viewers in the description below. That's right. If you want to follow along and collect unlimited signatures with just one link, you can try this software completely free. It's only available for my channel subscribers, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: by using one link to collect unlimited signatures, you can save time, stay organized, and easily track your efforts. The software we used is intuitive, and whether you're running a petition or managing a business process, it's the easiest way to handle mass signature collection. Quick revision: 1. Create your campaign or petition. 2. Customize your signature collection page. 3. Generate and share your unique link. 4. Let the software handle all the organization and tracking. And of course, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial through the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to take advantage of that free trial below and get started right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.